Are you a business owner? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a career-minded person that wants to upskill themselves for today's future work? I say today with emphasis, today, not tomorrow. So there are 11 skills as a data analyst. Tableau was number 1 in the market. So we had a Tableau professional come to our meetup. We recorded 90% of the participants saying they're interested in learning the use of Tableau. So we're bringing it to you. It's not about the certification, it's a hands-on learning where you're going to be learning about SQL, as it's going to be itemized there, and all the ability to be able to extract, visualize, transform, and use the Tableau platform to make informed decisions for your stakeholder, for your business as well. Would you like to skill up today using Tableau as a platform to be able to maximize potential? Tableau users is one of the highly sorted skills that is available today. We're not focused on the certification, but if you want to do the certification, we can equally support you with regards to that. But this one is a hands-on training experience on SQL, on Tableau usage, where you can clean, model, visualize data using the Tableau platform. And this is going to be done by our professional Tableau trainer that works with BT. Okay, Michael Oborofemi is so seasoned. I'd like to see you in class. Sign up today.